Hello everyone, this is an unboxing and overview of the Hako Type D. Let's take a look around the box. We have the art here, Type D at the start here, and some what looks to be rally lights, and the car itself. I don't know about you, but that kind of looks like a side mirror to me. Oh, that definitely is a side mirror, but as you can see, that's not present in the real car. Yeah, it's part of the J Imports set, and it's new for 2025. Looking at the back here, yeah, there's no licensing information, and funnily enough, this is an Indonesian card because I did not get it locally. I got it through a reseller because they're selling for sub retail, and I needed 2 of them to complete the projects I have planned. So yeah, that's enough of an overview. Let's cut into it and look at it in detail. Whoa, not supposed to be there. Using this always feels so dangerous. I always feel like I'm gonna scratch up the car. I'm gonna cut my finger open. Like that. Yeah, don't like that. I've heard acetone does well, but my acetone is like at it's not on the way. It's arrived, but like I haven't go pick it up yet because there's some other thing that's coming, so I want to get them all in one go. Oh, I think I like ripped it open there. Oh, I think we have it. There we go. This is the car itself. Keep this knife here. Yeah, I mean, I've seen it in the packaging before, and it just reminds me a lot like the FC RX-7. Only the FC. Apparently it takes design cues of the Toyota 86, Supra, and Sylvia together with the RX-7. But this color, this like yellow tint here reminds me of a lot of the FC RX-7 and nothing else. Maybe that's a limitation of my car knowledge, but that's all I can think about. Just like, wow, that looks like an FC RX-7. Nothing else comes to mind. Yeah. So let's start the walkthrough from the front here. Wow, unsurprisingly, no headlight details. But there is some the windows are one piece with the these fog lights, I think they call it, right? And yeah, there's a divot here for like a scoop, and we have, oh, I didn't notice that before the packaging, but there's like some trimmings here, and then the wiper is also molded in. Looking at the sides here, we have 99, the very obvious number here. Oh yeah, I'm also cross-checking the wiki. I thought that was just lines, but that says AH there, and the designer's name, Zhao. Oh my god, that's defective. That's not printed properly. Yeah, it's no matter. With where we're going, that doesn't need to be printed correctly at all. Oh, just a note here. The Japanese characters are Japanese characters read out Hotobiru, which is, you know, Hot Wheels in katakana. That's it's interesting. The duck, the like duckbill. I forgot what we call this, but the spoiler here it feels amazing to just touch. Maybe that's just me, but yeah. The back here, this looks textured, but it's actually smooth at the front, at the top here, smooth at the outside. The lines are all internal. Oh, you can also see the post there for the rivets. The back here has no no taillight details, but there's a spot for a license plate, and if you wish you can color this with like transparent red. Sounds about right. And this bumper here is plastic. It's a 3-piece construction. I think this is the interior piece, just like extends out. Yeah, this gives a little gray here. The wheels, the 3-spoke, just very reminiscent of the 90s and the noughties era of cars. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. I'm just stunned, absolutely speechless. That's amazing. On the side here, we have the same decals but mirrored 99, Hotwheels, and Zhao, and the H here. Let me double check here. I'm not sure who the AH is supposed to be, or why it says AH. Yeah, from what I can see, the designer of this casting is Brian Zhao, but it might have been he gotten help with someone else with the decals, but I can't see that. Something I didn't note here, but on the sides here we see some orange details. Those are like turn signal details. Yeah, at the bottom here we get the name of the car and made in Malaysia. Wow, so proud. Anyway, construction of this car is metal and plastic, and it feels heavier than it looks, which this is a Q4 scale. Right, let's check this out. Weighs 35 grams, but it is rather dense because it's not that big of a car. I mean, I have a ruler here. We can measure it just so you know. It's about 7.5 centimeters by 3 at the widest. So the footprint is not very small, not very big, but it is pretty dense. Let's give it a little roll here to send you guys off. Oh, it's not the distance, but like it really wants to stop. Like the slight pusher, it wants to stop. It doesn't feel like going. Compared to a recent casting, the mailed it. This car just wants to go. Like you can see, like the same force. It just goes. But this one just I can feel it wanting to stop. So the wheels are very lazy. Editing nitro here. Something that I noticed immediately after I stopped recording is that the windows is not hollow on both sides. It's only hollow on the driver's side. Yeah, driver's side. That's interesting. Something that I also forgot to include is the turntable display for you guys to see the car without my hands. So I'll just let this run through. Yeah, that will be all for me for today. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below if you want to see any cars, or if you just want to see more of my collection. That's something that's always at the back pocket. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Bye bye.